So guys, an amazing show. How do you feel?
Are you happy?
Yeah.
You've been working hard all day?
Yeah.
You ready to have some dinner and have a bit of a relax now?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what are you guys going to get for dinner?
Well, Maddie's got another show tomorrow, so it's healthy tonight, but after tomorrow night, then I think it'll be prawns and rice.
Amazing.
Is that your
That's your
favourite?
favorite?
Is your favourite?
Yeah.
Well, tell me, what was the inspiration behind the show today?
Well, 21 Reasons Why by Madeline Stewart. There's a few inspirations. The 21 being the extra chromosome 21 for Down syndrome. The fact that everyone wants to be 21. And also, I believe that eventually we'll start releasing a different look every fortnight. So we have a few weeks off for Christmas, but we want 21 reasons why the world should be more diverse. 21 reasons why we should love ourselves more. 21 reasons why we need to be kinder to everyone. So this is completely about making the world a nicer place to live in.
Absolutely, I absolutely agree. The other question I want to know is, where can we buy the products?
So completely online at madelinestewartmodel.com or 21reasonswhy.shop. And it's available now, so go online and buy it.
And are you guys going to eat cake while you're in New York?
After tomorrow. You want cake after tomorrow? You want some cake?
What cake? What's your favorite cake?
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Chocolate cake. We all love chocolate cake. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Amazing. What was your favorite item on the runway?
So I think my favorite picture was my favorite shirt had a model wearing a picture of Maddie on the runway, and Maddie and I met during Fashion Week, and I remember that I got so emotional when I saw her do her first walk, and now I'm here seeing her walk as a designer, and I have to say, me and my assistant and Heather, everybody who was with me, we were all crying, we were in tears, and Maddie was, we've worked together a lot, and she's a hero to me, an inspiration, and I'm so proud of her.
So how do you feel in this outfit?
I feel great. I mean, it's great because I'm wearing something that means something, and that's what we all should be wearing. The market is saturated with options for clothing. You shouldn't settle for sweatshop shit. You shouldn't settle for things that are made with misery. You should settle for things that are made well with love, because when you do that, you're wearing love and you're wearing good intentions, and that's what makes you beautiful.